question is could real ESP be happening? So, my question is for you guys is, could real ESP be happening? So let me ask you a question. How many people believe in the supernatural? One person. How many believe? Who here knows what ESP is? It stands for extrasensory perception. It's really unique because we have, if you've ever heard of the sixth sense or the seventh sense, they believe that there's an extra sense and that it's a psychic sense. I'm actually going to use one of the adults to help me out. Come on up here, Stewie. We'll have you help me out here. So what I have right here is, we'll set this right here. And I ask you the question, could real ESP be happening?
No.
So I have 2 decks of cards, right? And I'll show you, we've got all these different symbols and things on the cards. You know, you've got like a circle, a star, a square. Now these are all ESP symbols. You've got a diamond, you've got bacon right here, or as the professionals would call it, 3 squiggly lines. You've got a plus, right? So I need you to hold those in your hands like that. And I'm going to show you, I have all the same symbols as you. I've got a circle, a star, a square, you know, a bacon, and a cross. So perfect. Go ahead and turn those over like this. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to try to I'm going to try to have an ESP moment with you. We're going to try to have a psychic connection. So I wrote down, we're going to use this. Could real ESP be happening? So what we're going to do now is, you see the first word is could. C-O-U-L-D, could. Each letter, we'll take a card, we'll place it on the bottom of the deck. But I'll let you decide who places which card where. Either I'll place a card on the bottom of the deck, or you'll place a card on the bottom of the deck. So that you have a completely free choice of who moves what card. We'll start with the letter C. Who's going to move a card? Me. So I move one card to the bottom of the deck. Now we'll go to the letter O. Who's going to move a card? Now we're at the letter U. Now we're at the letter L. Now we're at the letter D. Now we're going to stop. Take your top card, and I'll take my card, and let's lay it down at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And we both landed on the bacon. So now what we'll do, now we're on the word real. That was just the practice run. This is the real chance. The letter R, the letter E, the letter A, and the letter L. Perfect. Now at the same time, let's flip over our card. 1, 2, 3. And we both ended on the O. Now we're at the fancy word right here, ESP. We'll start the letter E, the letter S, and the letter P. Alrighty. How good do you think we've done so far? On the count of 3, let's turn them facing the crowd. 1, 2, 3. And we both.
Get out of my house, David, boys.
Now we're at the smallest word, which is B. We have the letter B. Who will move? Now we have the letter E. Who will move? I'll move. On the count of 3, let's both turn over our cards at the same time. 1, 2, 3. And we both ended on the star. So now we have the biggest words. We have the letter H for happening. Who will move? Okay. A, P, P, E, N, I, N,
G.
Oh. There we go. So now let's take a look right here. 1, 2, 3. Flip them over. Plus. And we're open. And check it out. We have one card left. And check it out. It is the triangle.
Wow.
Just like that. And that, my friends, is why I asked, could real ESP be happening?
Yes.
Thank you so much for helping me out.
No.